bising. Memandangkan Syakila mau pergi sekolah sudah. So kita beli preparation untuk pergi sekolah. Okay, what's that?
It's a sock.
Okay, it's a sock. Kami beli stocking untuk mereka pergi sekolah pakai dengan kasut. Okay. Stocking lagi. Lepas tu kami beli dia punya shorts sebab Syakila sudah diaper free. Lepas tu kami ada beli, saya beli ni spoon and fork untuk bawa bekal dan nanti pergi sekolah. This one dia punya lunch box. Kita ambil warna pink. See, it's very cute. Sekolah tu kan macam biasalah, dia sekali dengan makanan semua. So yang ni very simple, very minimalist. This is for you. Later mommy put egg, yogurt and
Strawberry.
okay, strawberry. What's this?
Good effort.
Yeah. Good girl. Lepas tu yang ni saya tahu sudah. Lepas tu saya belikan ni botol air dia. Nanti bawa pergi sekolah, sangat easy. Tada! Lepas tu dia very simple, dia macam ni je. Lepas tu buka macam ni, lepas tu letak. Lepas tu yang botol ni dia easy. Tengok. Buka begini, okay? And then this one is for you, okay? You bring this to the school, okay? Kan macam ni. Pasang je begini. See? See? All done. And then water, you put water inside, right? Macam tu. So cute. Okay, what's this? What's this?
Bottle.
What?
Bottle.
Bottle. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.